like 10 of me can fit in this hole. There's not enough frickin' room to fix this. Okay? You're insane. And thanks, Will. This isn't part of the boat, ladies and gentlemen. It's the trailer. There's no part of the boat here. Watch this. Look. Oh, yeah, that's the side of the boat. Oh.
Show Jeremy.
That's our new boat, son. Look inside. Oh, look, there's a special entrance.
It's a swim entrance. Not many boats have these.
What do you
Not many
think?
boats have fried wires and cut wires and...
Hey.
What'd you get yourself into?
You're gonna be.
Look at this. Look. This whole side moves.
Yeah. It's. I mean, I've done a lot, so it's not doesn't scare me.
Okay.
You know. But
Kind of does me.
in the islands, you want to stand on this side because the rest of the boat, I don't know.
I don't know if I'll be going.
I told him to look at this thing first now, so.
All right, so Buzz, based on what you thought before, is this better or worse?
Well, for the money he's got in it, the trailer and the hardware's worth that.
But the question that I
Oh,
asked
can it
you,
be fixed?
no, is this worse or better than what you thought, based on what Scott told you?
Well, he didn't tell me too much. He showed me the pictures, but the pictures. You need to talk to Will. Get Will.
He answered yes earlier.
Hello.
No. I gotta do this.
That's too much harder.
No, that's a lot of harder, man.
Well, Scott...
What are you talking about? Things falling apart?
Come here and check this out.
There's a huge hole right in the middle. There's serious issues.
I don't see no issues.
Never sitting on this side of the boat
Why?
because it's off level.
I think you're out of control. Out of control, man.
Think you can handle it?
Not me. I wouldn't take on no job like that. You're gonna kill the old man over there, though. You're working him too hard.
I don't think that's possible to fix. No way. Are you sure that can be fixed?
They'll be strong as hell.
That boat has too much damage. There's no way you're ever gonna fix that. Period. It's just not possible.
Able to get this boat seaworthy again. Way too much damage, bud. Way too much damage. Have at it. Impossible to get this thing seaworthy again, man.
What I'm seeing right here, when I first initially seen the boat, I said it is impossible. And now I'm amazed how good it looks. Amazing.
doing this thing, it ain't never gonna run again, man. I'm with you, Paulie. Stay home.
He knows.
Don't go. Keeps the fiberglass off me. Clog up the pores.
Itch, 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 itch.
Hi, honey. Looks good. Are you sure that it's sturdy and not like the story that you told me on how the front of the boat came apart on the other one and the guy sank in the middle of the night in the middle of the ocean?
Oh, sure, it's strong. Relax. I'm a professional.
It actually looks like a boat.